little. Hey queens, today is the day I'm moving to the freaking beach. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hi, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Elizabeth Ann and my life is crazy hectic. And I don't even know when you guys are gonna see this because my next like 2 weeks of my life are gonna be insanity. But hi, welcome back. And if you've been living under a rock, I'm moving to the beach. I'm gonna live there for about 5 months. So I'm so excited. Hey queens. Sorry, it's out of focus. I just stopped in Waycross. So I have about an hour and like 10 or 15 minutes left, but I'll update you guys when I'm actually on the island. Hey queens! I can't believe it. Sorry, I'm probably gonna have to mute that part. Sorry if it's a little shaky because I like flipped it the wrong way, so it's like halfway hanging on. But I'm officially 30 minutes out-ish. I don't know how bad the congested. If you guys have ever been to Amelia Island, oops, I'm gonna have to get in the left-hand lane. Sorry. But if you guys have ever been to Amelia Island, then you know how congested it gets. I don't even know like what that town is, but it's like where all this stuff is, like right off that island. Yulee. It gets like super congested. So I'm not sure how bad it's gonna be since it's literally like, what is today? A Wednesday at 4:15. But we will see. And yeah, I just can't believe this opportunity is finally here, and I'm literally so forking excited. And I just got off the phone with the people I'm renting from, and my mom. I didn't explain this. I don't think I've explained it. Basically, my mom is at the beach with her sisters, all my aunts, and I'm coming clearly to do work and stuff. And then the rest of our family is coming this weekend. So that'll be exciting. I hope I can see them like at least for dinner or something. But yeah, I'm so excited. I can't believe this is finally here. I literally cried leaving Tifton, mostly because like 2 of my like best friends text me and were like, and just send me like these encouraging things, just saying how like this is everything I've ever dreamed of, and it is. I'm like literally, I'm so blessed. And it really hasn't hit me yet that like I'm here for like 4 or 5 months. And yeah, it's just really exciting. I'm just so excited to learn more. I've never had like a retail job before, and so I'm just really excited to learn more about the retail world with my hands-on experience, because I have the education. I've been in school for merchandising for almost like 3.5 years. Or 3 years, right? Yeah, 3 years. But I've never had like hands-on experience. So anyway, I'm just really pumped and so excited. And I'm just glad to document this with you guys. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun summer. I can't believe I'm officially like a Florida resident. I mean, I'm not like, you know what I mean, living in Florida. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna finish jamming. guys, I didn't vlog anything at all the rest of the day. I'm literally so out of it. I'm so tired. But I'm in my new place and I'll give you guys a tour tomorrow. But I'm literally so tired and I'm about to go to bed. It's, I think, about midnight. And yeah, I'll catch you. Hey queens, guess who's here? Hey. Hey. Anything to say to the vlog? Hey queens, I'm getting ready for my first day of work. I'm running actually really behind, so I probably won't vlog until afterwards because it's 1:21. I have work at 3. And this is so weird vlogging on this compared to my extra wide lens. But anyway, I have work at 3 and I was trying to get here earlier. But first I just got stuck in traffic. Second, I left my mom's, where she's staying super late. So, just gonna have to do this real quick. Thank God I chopped my hair off so it won't take as long. Hey queens.
Hey.
Birthday.
Peanut butter. Hello, happy birthday to me, 63.
Okay queens, I'm gonna give you guys a little house tour because I haven't vlogged. I worked all weekend, 3 days in a row, and today's the first day I have off, but let's just do it. Okay, so you walk in the door, how cute, and to the left is like the living room area. Yes, it's messy because we're here. Living room area, we've got a little couch, little recliner where I've been doing my homework. We'll look at the kitchen later, and then you walk in into the first bedroom, and here we go. How cute! We got a TV, we've got a dresser with all of my things among it. We have a walk-in closet with all my clothes you guys already know. Look at all of this stuff. Of course, I brought all my cute hats, all my shoes. We've got some more cute, funky, fresh. And then I brought one of my little vision boards to put on my bed. Of course, we have insulin. And then there's some flowers. You guys can see. There's some clothes. And then we walk back out. And we go to the back part to see the second bedroom. And it's kind of an office situation. I've been doing my homework and stuff back here, and I slept here since my parents were here. But yeah, here's my book bag and stuff. Here's some of my school stuff. Cute. Okay, there's Queen Bethany. Here is the kitchen. We've got, how cute is this? And then we've got the fridge. I should have showed you guys when it was very nice and organized. Still organized, but I had all my drinks lined up. They're still kind of lined up. And yeah, then we got our medicine. And here is the backyard situation. And then the rest of the kitchen. Look how cute this Keurig is I bought. It's Jonathan Adler. Of course, we've got Dunkin'. We've got some Starbucks. Dancing Goats coffee. Coffee syrups. All of my medicine. And yeah. Guys, these flowers. Oh my gosh. Look at the beautiful peonies. Oh my gosh. This is literally the most gorgeous bouquet of flowers I've ever seen in my life. Look how cute. How would you rate that bouquet of flowers?
I was just about to say, I'm going to tell you exactly the name of the florist.
On the sideline, dancing slow and looks at me. There must be sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I tried to make her mine, but at the same time, I know love is hard to find.
Hey, Queen. Hi. We just got a coffee. I'm about to go go back home and say bye to them. We forgot to go to the bookstore.
On the other side, we can do that on the other side. Hey.
Hey.
I tried lots and lots of time, but maybe it's fine that you are so hard to find.
I almost wore my go-go the other night.
Okay, Queens, we're sitting here just chilling. Okay, Queens, it's much later. It's literally like almost 7 o'clock. I have a bunch of homework I have to do, but my parents left like maybe an hour ago. But I just went to the grocery store and I want to show you guys what I got. Also, I'll come on and talk about everything overall and kind of end up the video after this and after I vlog the rest of my night. But anyway, yeah, I went to Harris Teeter's. I'm really excited to try these because if you guys have ever gone to not Buffalo Wild Wings, to Cheesecake Factory, they have like what is it, like General Tso's or some kind of like sweet and sour cauliflower wings, and they're really good. They're my favorite. I got some more just like cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. I just wanted to get some things that I could have in the freezer because these next 2 weeks are going to be really hard and a lot of stuff to do between work and school and finals and everything. Anyway, I got some mango chunks. I got this boil in a bag rice, like I said. These are my favorite. The grape flavor. I've never tried strawberry, but these are my favorite. I got a soup, some corn and green beans, protein shakes, granola. These are my favorite chicken tenders ever. I know they look, literally, they don't even look like chicken tenders. This is what I went for. This is the one thing I went for. And then I got some Cheetos because they're literally my comfort food. G2 because I'm trying to stay hydrated. Because I'm literally on my feet all day now. I got this to celebrate. Hold on. A little sparkling cider to celebrate just the beginning of a new era. Diet Coke because I was craving a Diet Coke, but I needed a caffeine free because I have work in the morning. Ready Whip, and then just some hummus. And this is what I'm gonna eat for dinner. My leftover whitefish, I only had one at lunch today. This is the Rumavoid sauce from Sliders. It's so good. So, yeah, I'm just gonna eat. Sorry. My camera settings have been really weird, but I'm just gonna eat my dinner and watch some YouTube and then do homework, and I'll catch up with you guys later.
Ryan Little.